So in today's video, I'm going to do a full review of a tool called AI Music Director. So first of all, let me tell you what it does. So it creates complete music videos for you from scratch. And when I say complete, I really mean complete. It writes the lyrics, it sings the vocals, it creates the beat, it generates the visuals, and it edits everything together. You don't have to do any of that yourself. All you do is type one sentence telling the tool what kind of video you want, and it takes care of the rest. That's literally it. Okay, so now let me take you inside the tool and show you what's actually there. So once you log in, you'll see the dashboard, and on the left side you have all the different tools listed. It looks very clean and simple, nothing confusing at all, right? Let me walk you through each one. The first and the main tool is the AI Video Creator. This is where you actually create your music video. You just type in a prompt or some keywords about what you want, then you pick your niche, choose the video size and style, and hit generate. And within just a few minutes, you get a full music video with visuals, lyrics showing on screen, everything ready. It's really fast, honestly.
Latest war news. It's breaking fast.
Turn up the volume, feel the blast.
Items on the screen, don't miss the big.
Truth's on fire, can't take a seat.
Staying out and it's behind.
Then you have the viral song creation, which has a few tools inside it. The first one is called prompt to song. So basically you type what you want the song to be about, hit submit, and in a few minutes your song is ready with vocals and everything. Then there is lyrics to song. So if you already have your own lyrics written, you just paste them in, pick a music style, and the tool will turn those lyrics into a complete song for you. That one is a really nice feature. Inside the same section, you also have the viral sound effect tool, where you just describe what kind of sound you need, choose how long you want it, and submit. And then there is AI voiceover as well. You type your script, choose the duration, and you get a proper voiceover ready in minutes.
Many people told me this is how they made their first money online. Domain flipping. Except now, AI does all the hard work. It tells you what to buy, what it's worth, and where to sell it. A-flip domains just remove the risk.
Next, there is the lyrics maker. So if you want the AI to write the lyrics for you from zero, this is the tool you use. You just give it a prompt, hit submit, and it writes out full song lyrics for you. The verses, the chorus, the hook, everything. And then the last section is the SEO agent, and this one is actually really useful, specifically if you're planning to grow on YouTube. Inside this section, you can find viral niches for your content. You can analyze what your competitors are doing. You can find high RPM topics, which basically means topics that make you more money from ads. You can also generate SEO keywords for your videos. And there is even an A/B testing tool where you enter two different video titles and it tells you which one is likely to perform better. So this whole SEO section is something a lot of similar tools don't even have, and it's a really good addition. Now let me talk about some things that really stood out to me when I was looking at this tool. The first thing is that AI Music Director doesn't work like a simple AI tool where you type something and it just splits out a result. It actually uses 7 AI agents that all work together. So basically, one agent is writing the lyrics, another one is creating the beat, another one is handling the vocals, another one is generating the visuals, and another one is editing everything together. It's basically like having a full production team sitting inside one software doing all the work for you. The second thing I really liked is that everything it creates is 100% original. The lyrics it writes, the beat it makes, the vocals, all of it is freshly created just for your prompt. Nothing is copied or reused from somewhere else. So you don't have to worry about copyright strikes or anything like that. Another really good thing is that once your video is ready, it automatically exports it for 5 different platforms: TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, and Spotify Canvas. And each one is already sized correctly for that platform. So you don't have to manually resize or re-edit anything. One generation and you are done for all 5 platforms. And one more thing, you also get a commercial license with this, which means if you want to create videos for clients and charge them money for it, you are completely allowed to do that. You keep all the money, no issues. Now, in terms of what kind of content you can make, the tool covers 8 different niches: rap, gym and workout, EDM, rock, lo-fi, funny meme, business promo, and motivational. So no matter what type of audience you are creating for, there is something here for you. Okay, so now let's talk about the price. And honestly, this is the part I think most of you will be happy about. Right now, AI Music Director is available for just $14.95, and that is a one-time payment. So you pay once and you get access. No monthly fees, no yearly fees, nothing like that. You just pay once and it's yours. And on top of that, I also have 2 coupon codes for you that will bring the price down even more. If you want 35% off, just use the code AIMUSIC35 at checkout. Or if you want $5 straight off the price, use the code AIMUSIC5. Both of these codes are there in the description below, so you can just copy them from there when you go to checkout. And one more thing before I wrap up, when you buy AI Music Director through my link, which is in the description below, you also get my exclusive bonuses on top of everything. I have put together 21 bonuses specifically for my audience, and you get all of them for free just by using my link. You can check out all the bonuses on my Medium page, and I have put that link in the description as well. So just make sure you use my link when you go to buy so you don't miss out on those bonuses. So is AI Music Director worth it? In my opinion, yes. For just $14.95 one-time payment, you are getting so much insight. The video creator, the song generator, the SEO tools, the voiceover tool, the lyrics maker, and even a commercial license. That is a lot for that price, honestly. And the best part is, there is also 30-day refund policy. So if you try it and you feel like it's not for you, you can just ask for your money back. So you are really not taking any risk here. You pay, you try it, and if you don't like it, you get your money back. Simple as that. Anyway, my affiliate link and both coupon codes are in the description below. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments and I will try to help. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.